What's going on, everybody? It's your boy C-Zar, and we are talking about XRP tonight. Hit that like button, you guys. Subscribe if you want to see more content like this, and let's get into it. I'm going to make this video shorter than normal. We're going to be very concise. I'm going to try not to dilly-dally too much with my thoughts and with my words. My voice is a little bit dead. I'm going to try to just get to the meat of it and just do that. So if that sounds good, hit the like button, subscribe if you want to see more content like this, and let's get into it. Okay, here we are at about $2.20. We're chilling. We're not doing anything yet. We are on the precipice of breaking out. Mark from the live stream, you actually requested me to talk about coins that haven't broke out yet. And I didn't talk about XRP, but I think XRP is a good example of this. There's a lot of coins that have been moving down since January, December, November, whatever, since the highs of this pump that have moved down a lot. And they're at the point now where they're consolidating. Some coins have popped off already and they've started to move. I'm sure we all know some coins that have done that over the past few weeks now, let alone today or the past few days. XRP hasn't made its move yet. Not financial advice, not a financial advisor. The worst thing that you could do in this kind of circumstance is trade your quote unquote boring coin for the coin that just popped off, right? Because now this coin's going to consolidate, and what's XRP going to do? It's going to pop off. So we're right at the point where XRP is going to move up. The worst thing that you could do is look at this as a boring coin and you need to move it to something else just because it's not moving up right now. And yes, I'm aware I'm aware now after the live stream, XLM is pumping. It's up 19% this week. It's looking like it's breaking out of this downtrend. XRP is only up 5% this week. I understand why that can be a little bit discouraging, especially because they moved kind of in tandem on the last move up. But trust when I tell you, not financial advice, not a financial advisor. Anything can happen, but I very much do believe that XRP is days away, moments away from breaking out. I'm actually surprised that we haven't broke out yet. And just because I'm surprised doesn't mean that's a bad thing. I very much do believe we're going to break out. It could be by the time I wake up tomorrow that we're up at like 270 or higher. You never know. But the expectation still remains. I think by the end of this month, you will be above 255. I think that, this next, it's the 26th now. So today and then 4 days from now, that's 5 days left in the month. I think between the next 5 days that we have a lot of potential to grow a lot. We could see 260, we could see $3 or more than that. You never know. I am expecting a fantastic finish to this month, and ideally closing above 255 would be a very big deal. I think it would. On a weekly perspective, on a daily perspective, monthly perspective, you're already fine. Close here or higher and you're fine because you're bullishly engulfing last month. But if you could, I'm just saying, if you could close above here, above like $3, that would be very bullish as well. But I don't know if you do, at least not by the end of this month. Inevitably, my friends, not financial advice, not a financial advisor, we will see higher prices. I want to talk about this real quick. If we do go lower, if you do see a price lower than this, XRP is fine. Everything is fine. It's just going to form a higher low, probably at prior areas of support, and then from there you will build. Sometimes you dump before you pump. That's just how it happens. Okay. Now let's finish this up. Talking about where we're going to go. Very bullish finish to this month. Okay. Very bullish consolidation phase overall for being at your all-time high, an area that you rejected down once before, rejected down twice before, right? You didn't live up here for a long time. You've been living here for the last quarter, more than a quarter of a year. High to low, after breaking out of your multi-cycle consolidation, one would only assume that you interact with your minimum given target, which is at $8.37. That's about a 277% growth. This is what I think's ahead at a minimum, right? Minimum given target. After that, we have the 1414, and it's very common with the 1414 to just go a little bit through it. We've done the math on XRP and Bitcoin so many times. We've come up with various targets that make sense for various purposes. XRP at $2.20 right now could see a price above $16 by the end of June, over the next 2.5 months. By the end of June, if not sometime in July, right? Something like that. If not above $16, then certainly I believe, yes, $8.37 is the minimum, but I personally believe the minimum should be something more like $10. And then we're probably going to go somewhere between $10 to $14, $15, something like that by the end of June. That's the expectation. None of that's changed. Monthly RSI is bullish as hell. Closing this month green, bouncing off the 60. Super bullish setup. The last time that you did this, the only time that you did this in your history, your next month was 746% to the upside. That's not why I'm saying we're going to do this. That's not why I'm saying we're going to do this. But it makes sense nonetheless. Anyways, that's all I got for you guys. Hit the like button, subscribe. Thank you all for being here. I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye bye.